Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you doing at home? I hope you are doing good and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Peria Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C2. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day in the name of Allah Ta'ala. And you know very well how we start our day. So everyone raise your hand for dua for learning. That is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Oh my Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lecture, look at your screen. The first one is your maths workbook C2. Then one pencil and eraser. Your maths notebook and some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you. What are the objectives of today's lesson? The first one is use non-standard units of measurement to calculate how many more. Compare capacity using non-standard units of measurement. So we are going to revise about how we do our measurements of different objects. So get ready. Everyone open page number 39 on C2. You can see on your screen now. We have to do this one page. Activity 5.7 and this is about tea time. Before doing this page, what you have to do? You will write your today's date and what is the date today? Look at your screen. That is 7.12.2020. Space age.t. Again space and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday, and where you are going to write your date. My arrow is telling you top of the page. You have to write here. Start from your left corner, touch with the line and write in a proper format. Then come down, find out the missing numbers in number line. Start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then what comes after 18? Yes, excellent. 19, 19, 19 and then 20, 20. Then come on activity. The kettle holds enough water to make 10 cups of tea. You can see in the picture there are two girls and the one girl is holding a kettle. And this kettle can hold enough water to make 10 cups of tea. Sidra makes 2 cups of tea for herself and Sania. She's Sidra and she's Sania and she made 2 cups of tea for Sania and herself. So what they are asking? Filling the blanks. How many more cups of tea can be made from the water in the kettle? 2 cups already made. Then we have to find the correct number. Here is the question. 10 minus. Here is a sign of minus. We are going to cross the numbers, cross the object. 10 minus 2 is equal to dash. We have to fill this blank. So here are, let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups are here. Minus 2. You have to cross 2 cups. 1 and 2. Now count the leftover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cups are left. So you are going to write here number 8 like this. Again there is a blank. They are asking dash more cups of tea can be made. Now she can make 8 more cups of tea can be made. So here you are going to write number 8 once again. Come on the next page, number 40. Just turn your page and write the same date, top of the page, 7.12.2020, space h.t, again space, and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday. And you are going to write top of the page. Maya is telling you, start from this corner. Then now look at the number line. There is no number written. So you have to start from number 11 till 20. You have to write 11 till 20. Like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. Then come down, activity 5.8, and this is about going home. They're going back to home. There are 2 buses to take the children home. First bus, then second bus. 15 children can fit in the first bus. 15 children can fit in the first bus. Let's count the children. Are they 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15. Then 10 children can fit in the second bus. Let's count the children once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 children can fit in the second bus. Which one is smaller? The second bus is smaller than the first bus. Now they are saying filling the blank with the more or fewer. The second bus holds dash children than the first bus. Which bus can hold the more children? As we counted, the first bus can fit 15 children and the second bus can fit 10 children. So the second bus, now they are asking about second bus. The second bus holds dash children than the first bus. We have to write more or fewer. We have 2 options. Where are the fewer children? In the first bus or in a second bus? Second bus. Excellent. So you are going to write here this word F-E-W-E-R, fewer. So you are going to write the spelling of fewer here, like me, F-E-W-E-R, fewer. You have to complete this page. Now come on, notebook. Everyone take your notebook. You have done unit number 5 on sheet 2. Everyone open page, the empty page. So make your margins like me, like I made with the red one. Make your page ready like this. Then what you have to do, you will write your date top of the page. And what is the date today? Look at your screen, 7.12.2020 space h.t, again space, and the day is Monday and should be capital in Monday. Then what you have to do, we are going to start our number in words from 20 till 100. But now we are going to write just 10 numbers. Don't be worried. So look at the screen and you have to write with me. So be active. You know very well after date what you have to write. You will write your topic. What is the topic? Look at your screen. Write the spelling of topic before the margin lines. Then you will write number in words. Then full stop. And should be capital in number. Be careful while writing the spellings, while writing the topic. Then come down The next one is, we are going to start from 20. You can see I wrote 20, 20 in two square boxes. I'm not writing them together. So please write like me. Then leave the block. You will start the spellings of 20 from the next block. T should be capital TWEN 20 20. Then what comes after 20? 21 21 21. Then leave this block. Once again you have to leave the line as well. Those who have a small blocks like me, you must leave the line and blocks as well like me, like I'm leaving. And those who have a big blocks, no need to leave any block or any line. So write the spellings of 21 21 21, then leave this block. Then spellings of 21 TWEN 20 20, and then spellings of 1 ONE 1. As you know, you have done these spellings already in tie numbers. 20 is a tie number, and ONE 1, it's very easy. So 21. I hope it will be more easy for you while writing the spellings. Then come on the next. What comes after 21? 22. Then write the spellings of 22, then 23, then 24. What comes after 24? 25. 25, 25. Again, same spellings you have to write. TWEN 20 20. And what are the spellings of 5? FIVE 5. Please read the spellings while writing. It's not just about writing, you have to learn the spellings as well. Come on next. What comes after 25? Then 26. 26 26. Then spellings of 26. TWEN 20 20 SIX 6 26. What comes after 26? 27 27 27. Then the spellings of 27. TWEN 20 20 SEVEN 7 27. What comes after 27? 28 28 28. Then they write the spellings of 28. TWEN 20 20. Then spellings of 8. EIGHT 8 28. Now here you can see I don't have enough space, so I'm going on a next page. But if you have the space on this page, you have to write down after 28. No need to go on the next page. But if you don't have space, then you can use the next page as well, like me. Come on the next page and you have to make this page like this. Make the margin lines as well. Then write the same date top of the page, that is 7.12.2020. Space H.T, again space, and then Monday. M should be capital in Monday. After writing date, you have to write the topic, same topic, number in words, then full stop. So what comes after 28? 29 29. Then the spelling of 29. TWEN 20 20 NINE 29. And the last number is, what comes after 29? 30 30. THIR 30 30. You have to write, you have to learn the spellings as well. It's all about today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. See you tomorrow inshallah in our live session in a Zoom class. I will be waiting for you guys. Take care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.